Dr. C.V. Raman University.
Hello learners, I am Dr. Vaishali Agrihari, Assistant Professor, Department of Commerce and Management, Dr. C.V. Raman University, Kargi Road, Kota, Bilaspur, Chhattisgarh. Today we will discuss about Customer Relationship Management on the topic Introduction to Customer Relationship Management. Unit 1. Here is the structure of this unit. We will cover the following topics step by step. That is, first one is Introduction, second Objectives, then meaning and definition of customer relationship management, then elements of customer relationship management, characteristics of customer relationship management, goals of customer relationship management, model of customer relationship management, then the customer relationship management value chain, significance of customer relationship management, benefits of customer relationship management to organization, summary, conclusion. Dear learners, welcome to today's lecture. In this video, we will study Unit 1, Introduction to Customer Relationship Management, that is also known as CRM. This unit will help you understand the basic concept, importance, and benefits of CRM in modern organization. Let us begin with the introduction. Introduction to Customer Relationship Management. Customer relationship management is a concept that emerged in the 1980s. At that time, businesses were mainly product focused, meaning they concentrated more on selling products than understanding their customers. As markets become more competitive, companies realized that keeping customers happy was more important than just selling products. This shift gave rise to CRM. Initially, CRM was very simple, often involving basic databases to store customer information. But over time, it evolved with advances in technology. Today, CRM includes automation and cloud-based system, allowing businesses to manage customer data efficiently, improve relationship, and drive growth across different industries. Now, we understand the origin of CRM. Dear learners, it's important to know what CRM actually means and why it is essential for business today. Understanding CRM, dear learners, its core, customer relationship management is a strategic approach used by businesses, current and potential customers. The goal is not just to sell products but to build long-term relationships that benefit both the customer and businesses. In simple terms, CRM helps business know their customer better and understand their needs and serve them more efficiently. Dear learner, for example, when you shop online websites like the Amazon or Flipkart, remember your preferences, suggest products you may like, and even then personalized discounts. This is a practical application of CRM, using data and technology to enhance the customer experiences. Dear learner, having understood what CRM is, let's explore how it works in real life and why it is so valuable for organization. Dear learners, CRM is significant because it allows businesses to focus on their most important asset, their customers. By maintaining detailed records of customer interactions, businesses can respond more effectively to queries, offer personalized services, and anticipate customer needs. For instance, consider a coffee shop with a loyalty program. The shop keeps track of your visits, remembers your favorite drinks, and sends your special offers on your birthday. This simple CRM practice creates a sense of value and loyalty, encouraging you to return again and again. Similarly, in larger organizations, a CRM system automates tasks like sending emails, tracking purchases, and analyzing customer behavior. Dear learners, making operations more efficient while ensuring a consistent customer experiences. Understanding the importance of CRM naturally leads us to see its role in improving overall organizational performance. Businesses that implement CRM effectively often see improved customer satisfaction, higher loyalty, and increased revenue. Dear learner, by using CRM, companies can identify their most profitable customers, provide better service, and reduce cost associated with customer acquisition. For example, banks use CRM to track customer transactions and preferences. Based on this information, they can offer personalized loan opinions, credit cards, recommendations, or investment advice. Not only does this make the customer feel valued, but it also helps the bank increase its revenue and strengthen long-term relationship. Dear learner, after seeing its practical importance, it is clear that CRM is not just a tool, but a strategic approach that shapes modern businesses' success. Dear learner, by the end of this unit, you will understand the origin and evolution of CRM from simple databases in the 90s 80s to modern cloud-based system. The fundamental concept of CRM as a strategy for managing customer interactions. Dear learner, how CRM helps businesses build long-term relationship with customers using technology, data and processes. Dear learner, the significance of CRM in improving organizational performance, enhancing customer satisfaction, and increasing profitability. In short, learning CRM equips you with practical knowledge of how business create value through relationship, which is an essential skill in today's business world, whether it's local coffee shop, a retail store, or multinational corporation. Understanding CRM helps you see how customer satisfaction derives business success. Some of how real life examples like real learner e-commerce websites like Amazon use CRM to suggest products based on your past purchase. Like coffee shops with your loyalty program tracks your favorite drinks and send personalized offers. Or we can say banks and financial institutions analyze customer transactions to provide tailored financial products. This example show that CRM is all around us, marketing our experiences as customer smoother, faster, and more personal. Dear learners, now we will discuss the objective of customer relationship management, also known as CRM. First objective is after studying this unit, the learner will gain a clear understanding of customer relationship management, often called CRM. Firstly, you will able to define CRM and understand its basic purpose. Simply, CRM is the way business manage their interaction with customer to build long-term relationship and ensure customer satisfaction. For example, when an online shopping website remembers your previous purchases and sends personalized offers, it is applying CRM to serve customer better. Moving forward, dear learner, you will learn how to analyze customer data for insights. Businesses collect a large amount of information about their customers, such as buying pattern, preferences, and feedback. By examining this data, you can understand what customers want, how often they purchase, and which product or services they prefer. Dear learner, enabling businesses to make smarter decisions. For instance, Netflix analyzes the show you watch to recommend content you are likely to enjoy. Next, this unit, dear learner, you will help to evaluate CRM tool and strategies. Today's businesses such as CRM software, automated email systems, chatbots, and customer feedback platforms. Understanding these tools allows you to see how organizations manage customer interactions efficiently, automate tasks, and improve the overall customer experiences. Additionally, you will explore the CRM value chain model, which explain how CRM activity create value for both the customer and the organization. This includes identifying profitable customers, managing interaction effectively, offering tailored product or services, and analyzing customer profitability. For example, a coffee shop that tracks customer visits and reward loyal customers is applying the value chain in practice. Finally, learner, you will be able to describe the benefits of CRM to businesses. Implementing CRM helps organization increase customer satisfaction, build loyalty, improve sales, reduce cost, and gain a competitive advantage. A simple illustration of this is how bank use CRM to track customer transaction and offer personalized loan or investment opinion, which improves both the customer experience and the bank's profitability. Dear learner, by achieving this objective, you will not only understand what CRM is and how it works, but also how it creates meaningful connections between businesses and their customers, which is essential for modern business success. Dear learners, now we will understand the meaning and definition of customer relationship management, that is CRM. Meaning and definition of customer relationship management is explained in different way by many management experts, each highlighting important aspects of this concept To begin with, CRM can be understood as a strategy that helps businesses to manage interactions with their customers in a better and organized way. Moving forward, dear learners, it is not only about handling customer data but also about understanding customer needs, improving services, and building long term relationships. For example, when an online store tracks your previous purchases and recommend products you might like, it is applying CRM in practice. Similarly, banks and telecom companies use CRM to remember customer preferences, resolve complaints quickly, and offer personalized services, which shows how CRM connects technology, processes, and customer service. As we move toward a broader understanding, it becomes clear that CRM is more than just a software tool, it is also a strategic approach that creates value for both the business and the customer. Therefore, by exploring different expert definition and real life examples, we can see that CRM is essential in today's competitive business world, helping organizations retain loyal customers, improve satisfaction, and achieve long term growth. Dear learners, now you will look at some definitions of customer relationship management given by different authors. First definition, according to Philip Kotler, 2006, customer relationship management is the process of carefully managing detailed information about individual customers and all customer touch points to maximize customer loyalty. This definition highlights customer relationship management as a data-driven approach focused on improving customer retention and building long-term loyalty through personalized interaction. Second definition is according to Peepers and Rogers 1993, customer relationship management is a business strategy aimed at understanding, anticipating, and responding to the needs of an enterprise, current and potential customers in order to grow the relationship value. This perspective emphasizes customer relationship management as a strategic function where the goal is to build value-based long-term relationship with customers by anticipating their needs. Dear learners, now let us understand the important element of CRM. The first important element of CRM is the management of customer data, which involves collecting, storing, analyzing information about customer, such as their preferences, past interactions, feedback, and purchases pattern. By doing this, business can understand customer needs better and provide personalized and high quality service. Moving forward, dear learner, another key element is touch point and customer interaction, where organization oversee every channel of communication, including phone calls, email, website, social media, and customer support centers to ensure consistent and meaningful engagement. Rely on CRM software and technology, such as HubSpot, Zoho, or Salesforce. Manage marketing, sales, and service activity efficiently. Building on this, automation of the sales force helps track leads, follow-ups, and communication automatically, which streamlines the sales process and improves productivity. Similarly, marketing automation allows companies to deliver personalized experiences by automating company segmenting customers and tracking responses. Dear learners, equally important is to support and customer service, which ensures that customer issues are handled promptly and politely and reliably across all platforms, helping maintain satisfaction and loyalty. Another element is the management of leads and opportunities. Dear learner, where businesses identify potential customers, nurture them through focused communication, and convert them into actual sales. Finally, reporting and analytics play a vital role in CRM by measuring performance, predicting trends, and using data-driven insights to improve decision-making and increase customer engagement. By understanding and applying this element together, organizations can create a seamless and efficient customer experiences that is strengthen relationship and achieve long-term business success. Dear learners, now we move to characteristics of customer relationship management. One of the most important characteristics of customer relationship management is its customer-centric approach, which focus on building long-term relationship with clients rather than just aiming for one-time sales. Moving forward, dear learners, CRM is also data-driven, meaning it uses customer information and analytics to understand their needs, preferences, and behavior, helping business make informed decisions. Closely related to this is integration, which combines marketing, sales, customer support operations into a single system, ensuring a smooth and coordinated approach. In addition, dear learners, CRM emphasizes personalization where services and communication are tailored to meet the specific requirements of each customer. Alongside this, automation plays a key role in improving efficiency by automating repetitive tasks like sending emails, reminders, and follow ups. Furthermore, dear learner, CRM supports multi channel interaction, allowing a business to connect with customer through social media, email, phone, and even face to face meeting, ensuring accessibility and convenience. Another key feature that is focus on customer retention, which aims to reduce increase satisfaction and enhance loyalty. CRM is also collaborative, that is encouraging different departments to work together to provide consistent customer experience. At the same time, it is scalable. Dear learner, it meaning it can adapt a business of your different sizes and industries. Moreover, CRM provides real-time information, giving businesses up-to-date insights into customer feedback and behavior, which help in making prompt decisions, and their characteristics in turn enhance customer service. Dear learner, by allowing faster responses and more effective problem solving, finally, CRM contribute to revenue growth as it helps identify opportunities for cross-selling and upselling, ultimately increasing sales. By combining these characteristics, CRM allows business to deliver better services, strengthen customer relationship, and achieve sustainable growth, making it is a critical strategy in today's competitive environment. Dear learners, after understanding the characteristics of customer relationship management, now let us move forward to understand its goal. Goals of customer relationship management. The primary goal of customer relationship management or CRM is enhancing customer satisfaction, which means improving the overall experience of customers by meeting or even exceeding their expectation through high quality product services and prompt support. For example, when a company like Amazon ensures that your order is delivered on time and offers easy returns if there is a problem, it is actively working to satisfy customer. Moving forward, another key goal is building strong customer relationship. Dear learners, where businesses focus on developing trust and loyalty by engaging with their customer regularly, understanding their preferences, and providing personalized services. A real life illustration of this is how a Starbucks remembers your favorite coffee orders through its app and offer personalized rewards, making you feel valued and connected to the brand. Closely linked to this, the goal of improving customer retention, which focus on keeping existing customer happy and encouraging repeat purchase by consistently delivering value and addressing concern quickly. Dear learners, for instance, Netflix retains subscribers by analyzing their reviewing habits and providing content recommendation that match their interests and ensuring users stay engaged with the platform. At the same time, CRM works to the boost sale and revenue, which involves attracting new customers, encouraging upselling or cross-selling to existing one, and refining sales strategies to maximize business income. A good example is how e-commerce platforms like Flipkart suggest related or higher end products while your shop, increasing the chances of additional purchases. Alongside this, CRM also aims at streamlining business processes, making operations more efficient by reducing automating repetitive tasks such as follow-up emails, reminders, and improving workflow, which saves both time and cost. For example, companies use CRM software like Salesforce or Zoho to automatically track leads, schedule follow-ups, and manage customer communication efficiently. By focusing all these goals together, CRM enables business not only to strengthen their relationship with customer but also to create more loyal and engaged customer base. This is in turn contributes to sustainable growth, increased profitability, and a strong and competitive advantages. Dear learner, in today's dynamic and customer driven market, in other words, well implemented CRM strategy ensures that business can satisfy their customer, retain them for the long term, increase revenue, and operate efficiently and all the same time. One of the most important advantage of customer relationship management is it is ability to enable data driven decision making, which allows businesses to analyze customer behavior, purchasing patterns, and preferences to make strategic choices instead of relying on intuition. For instance, Amazon studies your previous purchase, browsing habits, and even wishlist items to recommend products that are highly relevant to your increasing livelihood of repeat purchases. Building on this, CRM also plays a critical role in enhancing communication and engagement, as it equips businesses with the tools to connect customers in meaningful ways, across multiple channels, whether through emails, social media, mobile apps, or direct customer service interaction. Starbucks provides a practical example by sending personalized message through its app, notifying customer of exclusive offers or new menu items, which not only keeps them engaged but also strengthens emotional connection with the brand. Dear learners, in addition to communication, CRM supports personalized marketing strategies, allowing organization to tailor promotions and recommendation to match individual customer preferences. Netflix, for example, leverages viewing history and rating to curate content suggestions unquickly suited to each user, which increases engagement and satisfaction while also reducing churn. Closely interlinked with personalization is a goal of increasing customer loyalty. Customer loyalty, where consistent positive interaction and rewards encourage customers to continue choosing the brand. Airlines like Emirates or Indigo reward frequent flyers with points, priority boarding, and exclusive offers, while retail brands like Sephora or Starbucks provide loyalty points and personalized discounts, creating a sense of value and encouraging repeated patronage. Furthermore, dear learner, CRM contributes significantly to facilitating team collaboration, ensuring that different departments such as marketing, sales, customer service work toward common objective. By using CRM platforms like Salesforce or Zoho, employees can access real-time customer data, coordinate follow-ups, assign tasks, and ensure that interaction across all the channels are consistent and effective. This is not only improves operational efficiency, dear learner, but also enhances the overall customer experiences. When all these benefits came together, data-driven insights, improved communication, personalized marketing, stronger customer loyalty, and collaborative teamwork. CRM empowers businesses to anticipate customer needs, deliver superior service, and respond quickly to changing market conditions. Ultimately, companies that implement CRM effectively gain a strategic edge, as they are able to maintain lasting relationships, increase revenue through repeat sales and upselling opportunities, streamline internal process, and sustain growth in highly competitive market. Dear learners, in this section, we will discuss the CRM model. The model of CRM, that is customer relationship management, explains how organization manage relationship with their customer at different stages. It explains how a business builds and maintains a strong relationship with customers in a step-by-step way. It begins with targeting, where the company identifies the right group of customer. Then it comes conversion, where means turning interest people into actual customer. After that, the business welcomes and gets to know customers through onboarding and early interaction. Next is delivering the basics, where the company meets customer main needs with quality products or services to keep customer for a long time. Forms retention activity like goods, services, and communication. Value development focus on increasing customer value over time by offering better solutions. When customers are unhappy, managing dissatisfaction helps handle complaints properly. If customers leave, win back strategy are used to bring them back. At the same time, companies also calculate cost to serve to understand how much it costs to serve each customer. Behind this all activity are internal systems that support CRM. Analyzing and planning help business study customer data and plan actions. Dear learners, moving forward, let's take a look at the customer relationship management value chain. Explains how an organization creates value for customers and finally achieves profitability. The process starts with customer portfolio analysis. Dear learner, where the company identifies and select the most valuable customer. Next is customer intimacy, which means understanding customer needs, preferences, and expectation deeply. After this, network development, that is focused on building strong relationship with suppliers, partners, and stakeholders to support customer value. Then it comes to value proposition development, where the organization designs products and services that clearly meets customer needs. Finally, managing the customer life cycle, that involves attracting, retaining, and developing customer over time so that the relationship continued for the long time. Supporting this main stages are important internal conditions. Leadership and cultural ensures that the organization follows a customer focused mindset. Data and information technology. Dear learner, it helps in collecting and analyzing customer information. People play a key role by delivering good services, and processes ensure that work is done smoothly and consistently. Now, let us understand the significance of customer relationship management. Significance means the importance or value of CRM for an organization. Customer relationship management plays a very important role in today's competitive business environment. Dear learner, it helps organization improve their performance, reduce cost, and build a strong relationship with customers. Let us now discuss the major points that explain why CRM is important for our organization. Customer relationship management is very significant for organization because it helps them work efficiently and serve customer better. One important advantage of CRM is that it reduces operational cost by automating routine tasks and improving work processes, which helps save time and money. CRM also improves customer support and service because it records and tracks customer interactions, making it easier to solve customer problems quickly and provide timely support. Another important role of CRM is better forecasting and planning, as organization can use CRM data to understand sales trends, customer behavior and market demand. CRM also enable better customer segmentation by grouping customer based on their preferences, behavior and demographic details, which helps in planning targeting marketing activities. In addition, CRM system helps organization ensure regulatory compliance by supporting data protection and legal requirements. Dear learner, CRM increases cross-selling and upselling opportunity by analyzing customer purchase history and suggesting suitable products or services. It also helps organization to collect customer feedback and gain valuable insights which can be used to improve products and services. By consistently providing quality service through CRM. Organization can enhance their brand reputation and build customer trust. Dear learner, now let us understand the benefits of customer relationship management to an organization. Customer relationship management helps business build strong and long-term relationship with their customers. First is to improve customer relationship by helping organization understand customer needs and communicate with them effectively. As a result, customer feels valued and connected to the business. Second, dear learner, CRM enhances customer satisfaction because it allows personalized interactions and quick service, which increases customer trust and loyalty. Customer relationship management also helps in higher customer retention. By reducing customer loss, it ensures timely follows up, personalized offers, and proactive customer support. Another important benefit is increased sales and revenue. As CRM improves lead tracking, sales planning, and targeted marketing, which leads to higher conversions and profitability. It also supports efficient sales and marketing strategy by automating companies tracking customer responses and helping businesses reach the right customer at the right time. CRM enables better customer segmentation where the customers are grouped based on behavior, preferences, and demographics, allowing customer engagement. It allows streamlines business process by automating routine tasks, reducing manual work, and improving operational efficiency. With operational efficiency, CRM organization can make data-driven decisions, dear learner, because it provides real-time reports, insights, analytics. Another key benefits is improved collaboration across departments. A centralized allows smooth communication between sales. This leads to higher productivity and efficiency. Next benefit is customer support by organizing customer issues and tracking interactions for quick resolution. Finally, customer relationship management helps in cost reduction by improving efficiency, reducing errors, and maximizing organizational output. Dear learner, overall, customer relationship management is a powerful tool that helps organization grow by improving customer satisfaction, increasing sales, and making business operation more efficient. Now, let us summarize the key points discussed in this unit. Dear learners, in this unit, we discussed customer relationship management or CRM, which is very important in today's business environment because it helps organization build and maintain long-term relationship with their customers. CRM simply means managing customer interaction in an organized and customer-focused way with the help of people, process, and technology. The main purpose of CRM is to improve customer satisfaction, loyalty, and retention by providing better and more personalized service. For example, when an online shopping website suggests product based on your previous purchase or a bank sends customized offers to your customer, it is using CRM practices. According to different scholars, CRM is not only a software system but also a customer-centric mindset that places a customer at the center of business decision. The key element of CRM include customer data management, communication channels, feedback system, and service quality. While its main characteristics focus on relationship building, long-term value creation, and technology enabled interaction, the major objective of CRM are to streamline business process, enhance customer satisfaction, and increase profitability. Dear learners, organizations use various CRM models such as the CRM value chain to manage customer acquisition, retention and development effectively. Overall, CRM provides a business with a competitive advantage, improves customer understanding and increase loyalty, and support long-term growth as well, making it the essential subject for learners who aim to build career in marketing, sales or customer service. Dear learners, let us come to the conclusion. At the end, we conclude that customer relationship management and sales management are very important in real business life. In simple words, CRM helps a company understand its customers, while sales management helps the business or company to sell the right product in the right way. For example, when a shop owner remembers a customer name, preferences, and the past purchases, it creates trust and satisfaction. This is CRM in practice. When the same shop plans, offers, guides the sales staff, and closes the sale smoothly, this shows sales management. From a learner's point of view, we can clearly see that both CRM and sales management work together to improve customer satisfaction and increase sales. To sum up, this introduction helps us to understand how business builds strong customer relationship and achieve long-term success in a practical and realistic way. With this, we come to the end of this unit. Thank you for your attention, learners, and happy learning. In the next session, we will continue with the next unit. Thank you so much.
Dr. C.V. Raman University.